Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
All right, here's our big weather maker for this weekend. It is a pretty potent area of low pressure, but also an atmospheric river. So that just means there's a lot of tropical moisture that's going to get forced up into the Pacific Northwest this weekend. And we will be included in Southern Oregon and Northern California. Parts of our region will see some very significant rainfall totals by the end of the weekend. This storm system will also produce some pretty gusty winds in the days ahead. We'll look for those winds to pick up out of the south and southeast tomorrow. Strongest gusts will be at the coast, where we could get gusts up over 40 miles per hour. Brookings up to 52 tomorrow, 60 for high in Medford, 48 in Klamath Falls, and 56 in Wairika. It will be milder tomorrow. That's going to mean some pretty high snow levels as we go through the weekend. Take a look at the forecast for the coast. Rain will pick up in intensity as we go throughout the day, especially into the afternoon, and then basically steady, moderate to heavy rain right through Sunday and more wet weather into Monday. Winds will progressively be getting stronger as we go through the weekend. We'll be tracking that closely in the Rogue Valley. Fairly mild temperatures this weekend, wetter and more blustery for your Sunday, and we'll look for some more wet weather to start next week as well. Snow levels will be very high through the weekend, so mainly just looking at rain for Crater Lake later tomorrow and then on Sunday as well. But then snow levels will lower as we go through the day Monday into Monday night, so rain changing to snow. Does look like the road back to Rim Village is open again after all those winter storms in recent weeks. Take a look at those snow levels. Notice how they do lower later on Monday, especially into Monday night. We could see some accumulation for our Cascade passes, but no travel concerns due to snow for our higher passes through the weekend. So here's a look at tomorrow. Clouds will increase. There's the rain picking up as we go throughout the day. Not a lot inland, but it definitely looks like as we head through tomorrow night on into Sunday, rain becomes more expansive. Look at this moderate to heavy rainfall into Curry and Josephine County. It's going to be pretty persistent through Sunday, and some of this wet weather will come in waves for further inland. Not going to see as high of rainfall amounts as you head east to the Cascades, and notice it stays pretty active into Monday as well. Here's a look at rainfall totals. This is through Monday morning, and notice the bullseye into Curry County, upwards of 4 to 8 inches of rainfall possible. Could see some pretty decent rainfall amounts in Medford. Depends on how the winds progress, but notice east of the Cascades, amounts will be significantly lower than what we'll see further to the west. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. Soggy and windy this weekend for the coast. Some impressive rainfall amounts. Just a minor risk for some mainly minor flooding. We'll keep an eye on that, of course, this weekend. Rain likely for Northern California, especially as we head into Sunday. Best chances at wet weather for the basin will be Sunday. Winds will be cranking up Sunday and Monday. Some strong gusts possible for parts of the east side, especially on Monday. The mountains mainly rain with those high snow levels, but snow levels will come down gradually Monday into Monday night. And then taking a look at the forecast for the Rogue Valley, we're tracking wet weather, some of it coming in later tomorrow, but more so on Sunday. Gusty winds to start next week, and then a drying trend to our weather for Wednesday and late next week.